Guys, and welcome back to How to Cook with Lenerd 3. So today we're gonna be making a school peanut-free snack. So first you need your peanuts, your cereal, your non-branded shit cereal, and what looks sort of fairly useful, this cup of water. So what you're gonna do, grab a handful of cereal, dump it in the cup of water, like that. Then you grab the nuts to make it peanut-free. Oh yeah, let's zoom in on that. Oh, it's sexy. So, what you need next is these friggin' peanuts. Oh yes! There you go. You grab a small little stirring spoon. You mix that shit all up. There. And then you fucking cook it in the microwave. Okay. And then you just wait for that. There. And that's how I cook with Lenerd. I'll show in the next video, I don't know. Well, that's good cooking with Lenerd. Oh, but wait, you're saying in the comments I didn't actually start the microwave, aren't you? Okay, let's do this, bitch. Woo! Cooking that shit! Now you got your cooked, peanut-free, those are peanuts, lunch drink to shove in those allergy faces. And goodbye. See you dudes next video. Woo! That's how to cook with Lenerd, actually.